Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we are on the bench with these Baja Designs hood mount brackets for the 09 to 14 F150 and the 10 to 14 Raptor. Now this is a specially designed bracket from Baja Designs that is built to basically use their pod lights and mount them sort of in front of the pillars and just behind the hood where that cowl section is on the front of your truck. This gives kind of a Jeep-like look, so to speak, where you can get the lights up there and use them as ditch lights or get some forward projection. Kind of set it up however you want, but this just gives you a nice stable mounting platform. Now for most of you guys, you're probably going to be running something like these squadrons that we have here on these brackets, and that's a pretty ideal way to do it. But for our case, doing this on our 2013 Raptor, we're actually going to be installing the new LP6s on here. So they're a little bit bigger, a little beefier, but they should mount to these brackets no problem. So let's go ahead, pop the hood and get started. The first thing you want to do is obviously pop the hood open so you have access to these two bolts that are basically attaching the hood hinge to the actual truck. I also went ahead and removed our antenna just to clear a little bit more space. So now we can take a 10mm socket on this ratchet with an extension and loosen up that first bolt. Now with the front bolt removed, the one towards the back is a little trickier to get to, so you'll have to take that extension off, and it's just going to be small turns with the ratchet to get this thing out. As you're loosening this up, it'll probably get to the point where a ratchet may not fit super well between the plastic cowl and the actual bolt itself. So we had to grab a wrench to start twisting it the last couple turns here, but it also helps if you have a friend support the hood to keep this bracket from popping up and keeping pressure on it. Now that we've got both bolts out, we kind of adjusted that bracket back into position where it needs to sit. And then I've got my buddy Dylan holding the hood in place so we don't bump it out. And we're gonna just kind of work the bracket through the slot here and rotate it just like that. There we go. Now we're gonna grab our hardware and go ahead and tighten this down. We started by dropping this front bolt in first, and I tightened it down enough to hold the bracket into place, but left it just a little bit loose so that I could actually wiggle the light mount and get it lined up in the back. Then once I had that in place, you can drop this rear bolt in and kind of get it tightened. Now because turning this back bolt with a wrench is one of the most tedious things you could possibly do, getting a little bit more clearance in there for a ratchet is ideal. So we're gonna go ahead and cut back this plastic cowl just a touch. That's gonna give us that extra height clearance that we need to get the ratchet in here and start turning it. So from here with an extension, we can get that 10mm on there with the ratchet. And then you may wanna put a little tape or something along the hood here so you don't rub the paint off, but that's gonna give us just enough space to get this tightened down. All right, now that we've got both those bolts tightened down, the bracket's locked into place, and you can basically just replicate the same process on the opposite side of the truck. The biggest trick to this install is gonna be hood alignment. So we tightened ours down, closed the hood just to kind of test fit, and it was shifted off angle a little bit and just wasn't latching quite right. So we did have to go back and loosen the front a little bit more and the back bolt a little bit more, shift it. It usually helps if you have two people to kind of push the hood into place and make sure your hinge is lined up with where it was originally from factory. Then once you have it lined up again, you can tighten these back down, but sometimes it's just a little process of tightening and loosening to get everything wiggled into place. But now we've got everything lined up the way we need it, so we can work on getting our light mounted to the actual bracket. So now we're gonna take our LP6 that we have here. I went ahead and dropped that center bolt through, and that's gonna just drop into the hole on our bracket. We also put a washer in there, and then we've got a washer as well as a nylock nut that we're gonna use on the bottom to get this tightened down. So now we'll grab our two wrenches. You'll need a 14mm, and we'll get this tightened down. So guys, that's gonna wrap up our install on these Baja Designs hood mount brackets, and as you can see, we've got the LP6s on here and they look fantastic. Now, as I mentioned before in the video, you can run any of Baja's other pod style lights on here depending what you wanna do, and really the wiring's up to you, but running them with the upfitters in the Raptor is an excellent option. So if you're interested in picking up these brackets for your own truck, you can head down the description below, click that link, it'll shoot you over to our website, and also make sure you hit subscribe while you're down there so you don't miss any of our other installs and reviews that we're cranking out, and I will see you guys next time.